Hi, I'm Vicki Norris, organizing expert of Restoring Order. I'm also an avid health researcher for about the last decade. Our family needed solutions to boost our health, and we found out that nearly all our organizing clients needed that too. And so today I'm going to share with you how to reclaim your health, a very handy, practical solution to ward off illness and prevent it in the first place, and then to treat yourself if you do get sick, so that you can be empowered not to have to worry about your health. So I want to share with you my own health caddy that I've created, and it shifts from time to time, and I use it in different ways. This one is a metal bin. It has 6 compartments, but you could use a tray or a box when you're creating your own health kit. So let's talk about what to keep on hand in your health caddy. Your first treatment and prevention supplies are actually whole foods. Now, if you find yourself sick or you're trying to prevent yourself from getting sick, you gotta ditch the processed food and the sugar and eat stuff that grew out of the ground and off of trees. And I'm gonna show you what we use as a family to ward off illness. Oranges packed with vitamin C, carrots and basil are incredibly antiviral. And of course, onions and garlic are probably the most antiviral foods that you can get, and they're incredible for warding off colds and flus and things like that. But don't forget, food is actually medicine. In addition to eating it, you can actually use it on your body. I had an eye infection a couple months ago. I tried everything to bring down the inflammation, and it was tomato that actually finally brought down the inflammation. You can also make poultices for the chest and for the feet using whole foods like onions and garlic. I do it for my kids because sometimes they don't want to take anything, but I can put it on their bodies. Next, you are going to use nature's potent remedies in your health caddy. We love Manuka honey in our family. It boosts immunity, it knocks out a sore throat. You can even smear it on wounds to aid healing. But a favorite of my children is elderberry syrup. It just tastes delicious, and it is packed with vitamin C. That too will boost your immunity. Then, to keep us strong in the winter months, we use echinacea, and astragalus will knock out virus as well. So these are some of the things that our family uses that you might want to consider adding to your health caddy. Next, you want to leverage an element to take back your health. Now, silver is Ag on the periodic chart, and for eons, people have been using colloidal silver to boost your immunity, to knock out bacterial and viral infections. And when stuff is going around, our family just takes a teaspoon under the tongue. So you might want to consider adding that to your health caddy. You can also make a spray of it. I actually used this quite a bit when I had my eye infection. So colloidal silver is a fantastic solution that you may want to add to your health kit. Okay, next, essential oils to soothe and treat. This is what we use in our home for our pharmacy. We use lemon and lime to detoxify, just put a little bit in water. We use fennel and peppermint for tummy aches, and I love that I can put it right onto my kids who might not be willing to take a capsule. And we have lavender and tea tree for scrapes and bruises. And finally, a nice blend of clove and cinnamon and rosemary actually wards off infection. So oils are great to use in your health kit. Finally, to chase away the fear of future illness, consider adding to your kit detoxifying herbs. We like using just basic milk thistle and liver detoxes. The human body has 7 elimination channels, so we need to declutter them. You can also get blood cleansers and kidney cleansers and everything you might need to keep those channels clear. Now, I have a course called the Reclaim Your Health e-course, and we've put it as the top post on our Restoring Order Facebook page today, so you can be empowered to reclaim your health. Thanks for watching this organizing video by Restoring Order. Be sure you subscribe to this channel and check us out at restoringorder.com.